Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Flagstar Bank app, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your mobile device is connected to the internet. Open the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, go to the Apple App Store. If you are using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Flagstar Bank and press enter. Locate the official Flagstar Bank app in the search results. Check the app's developer to ensure it is from Flagstar Bank. Tap on the app icon to open the apps page. On the app page, look for the Install button. Tap the Install button to begin the download process. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once installed, locate the Flagstar Bank app on your device. Tap the app icon to open it. You may be prompted to allow certain permissions. These may include access to your location or notifications. Grant the necessary permissions to ensure full app functionality. After that, you will see the app's welcome screen. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. If you already have an account, tap on the option to log in. Enter your username and password into the designated fields. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. After successfully logging in, familiarize yourself with the app's layout. Explore options such as checking account balances, transferring funds, and paying bills. Review the app's settings to customize your preferences. Ensure that notifications are enabled for important alerts. Lastly, refer to the help section if you encounter any issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.